guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber Maria, and today we're going to do the ultimate wash and go test using one of my favorite brands to do. Let's go. And no, this video isn't sponsored. Let's go. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be using the Doux, and no, again, this video is not sponsored. Nowadays, there are so many videos that are sponsored that people don't even want to watch YouTube anymore. I bought it with my own money, my little coins, alright? It's not sponsored. But the Doux, if you want to like hit your girl up, here's my information there. But this beautiful product just came out. Chief Rocka. I hope I said it correctly. Words are hard. But Chief Rocka, it came out. It is a foaming mousse. It says moisture-rich gel foam styler that delivers lasting definition, flexible hold, and a smooth, touchable finish with no flakes. Okay. It says no flakes. So it says no flakes. And we're going to believe that it is going to provide me with no flakes. Now, it says also for maximum hold, do not apply oil to the hair before using this product. Apply a generous amount on clean, damp hair in small sections, smoothing from roots to ends. Sit under a hooded dryer, air dry, or diffuse. Allow your curls to 100% dry before you separate. Now me, I'm a hooded dryer girl. I tried to do the diffuser, but for some reason my hair doesn't like it. I'm not going to argue with her anymore. Now, when I was doing my research on this product and watching other, OG YouTubers, I'm going to list some of them right here. When I was watching their videos, one in particular, she was saying that it has a flexible hold like it says in the description, and she likes a firm hold. That's how I am. That's why I like the Doux Big Papa gel. I think I like their B-Girl gel. I like Xtreme Wet Line. I like a hard cast gel. So I was nervous about using this one product on my hair considering I wanted to last a long time. So another suggestion was to pair it with the Doux Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Foam Styling Mousse. Now, I love this product. Anytime I do two-strand twists, and hopefully I can find some photos and put it here. Anytime I do two-strand twists, this is my one product that I go to, and it makes my twist lasts for like 2 weeks. I get my hair washed and blown out every 2 weeks. So it's perfect. So I figured let's just do it together and we're going to see how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And as you know, I like to do my hair in 4 sections. So I'm going to go ahead and part it and then we're going to get this thing going. And by the way, those who are looking for Bubbles, he's right here. He's napping. You can't see him, but well, you can see it. Yeah, you see that gray blob of a blanket? He's underneath there. Bubbles! Bubbles? He's in a deep slumber. I don't want to wake my baby up, but he under there. Thank y'all so much for loving my baby. Like that's my babe. So, all right, let's stop playing. Let's get into it. Apply a generous amount on clean, damped hair in small sections, smoothing from roots to end. Air dry, sit under a hooded dryer or diffuse. Allow hair to dry 100% before separating curls. And also, it comes with this little clamp. I make body butter and body cream for sensitive skin, so my sample pumps, they come with these as well. So I love these, like, love them. Apply a generous amount. Okay, this looks generous. Okay. I don't know, y'all. Like, I used to love the Doux gel. Like, oh, that was my little baby. All right. I'm not seeing the clumps or the full clumps I'm looking for. So we're now going to go in with Crazy Sexy Curl. Okay, got that. Okay. Okay. All right. So the curls are there. They're there. It's just not giving me like that. It's not giving me like that hold that I like wanted, like that like I love the cast, the like the crunch and the I'm a crunch girly. I love it because it like lasts a long time. I mean, this is cute. This is She cute. You know, I'm just gonna keep going. Everything's fine. I'm gonna keep going. Maybe I need to do smaller sections in this. So I'm gonna take it real slow. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Make sure y'all can see me. Yep. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. I mean, it seems like a regular mousse. It just seems like a regular mousse. Again, I'm not a mousse girly. I'm a gel girly because I like that hard cast. I want to put it on and immediately see. That was a lot of breath. I'm sorry. I want to put it on and immediately see my curls clump, and I didn't really see that with this. It's not giving what I assumed it would give. I don't know, but they do have another product called Bananas that I want to try. It just wasn't at my store, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna hold you. Right now, I don't have a lot of faith. You hear this dog barking, right? See, this is why I have a cat. My baby over there sleeping, minding his business. My baby would never act up like this. It's crazy. Anyway, I don't know how I feel about this. And again, it could prove me wrong. It could be like the best wash and go ever. It's just like right now, I'm not seeing that happen. I'm seeing my hair probably gonna have a lot of volume, which is fine. And my fear is that my curls won't be at the root. It'll be like at the end. Like I want curls from root to end. I want like you just see curls, and I'm not seeing that happen here. But I'm gonna give it time. I'm gonna keep going. You know, we gonna see how it goes. This is a quarter of my hair. But I noticed that with this quarter, I made it bigger than the rest of them. I don't know why. But this quarter of my hair, we're gonna keep going and see how it does. We'll see. I love the Doux. I will forever love them. But this, it seems like a regular mousse. And again, I'm not a mousse girly. So that's my bad. I thought, you know, I saw other people use it. And I was like, well, maybe it can work on me. I don't know. But let's keep going. Alright, you guys, so this is just me again applying the product to my hair. At this point, I just accepted that my hair was going to be puffy. Like, I can look at the side of it right here. Usually, my sides are the worst part, and it's extremely puffy. You can see this section right here. It doesn't even hold a curl, it's just sitting on top of my hair. And again, I'm probably doing it wrong. I don't know, but this is what it looks like once all the product is there. You can see some part of it is dry, and I still have wet parts, but yeah. I was contemplating on if I was going to be like 100% honest about how I feel or what I was going to do. But one thing that I want to pride my channel on is being honest and authentic and everything like that. So, here's my honest review. Now, let me preface by saying I myself am not a mousse girly. As I mentioned before, I am a gel girly. I like the hard gel, the cast, the crunch, whatever you want to call it. I love it because it makes my curls last so long. I can manipulate it, I can stretch it out, and my curls are still there. I love that. So when I came across this product and people were talking about it, the rave about it and everything, I was like, okay, well, let me try this. And like I said before, someone mentioned that you should pair it with this one so it can get max hold. I said, cool. I did that, and like, I still don't feel like that max hold. Like, I'm looking at my hair now, and you can't see it because, you know, you're on camera, but where my mirror at? So I'm looking at my hair. It's not bad, but it's not as defined as I like. It's not as defined as what I'm used to. And it took me so long to apply this product. Excuse my air conditioning or heat. My heat is coming on. Sorry. I had to apply so much product to my hair for me to even see like a full definition. So again, I mixed the first product, the Chief Rocka, with the Crazy Sexy Curl. Now, when I went in with the first one, the Rocka, we're just going for short, Rocka. When I went in with the Rocka, like, I didn't really see or feel like a difference in my hair. Like, I felt that the hair is just a regular mousse. It wasn't like this flexible hold that it was advertised. Not saying that it's a bad thing. It's just like I just did not feel it. Maybe I put too much water in it. I'm not really sure. But then when I topped it with this, that's when I was like, okay, I can see my curls kind of clumping together, but I had to work it in. I had to put a lot of work into it. And then at the top part here, because this is where people will be looking right here, I put a lot more of these Crazy Sexy Curl on it. and I can immediately tell the difference between the two products. Like the Crazy Sexy Curl, it feels thicker and more stable, if that makes sense, and it's sticky. If you're familiar with this particular one or this collection within their products, you know this one's kind of sticky, but my curls come together more. So it's not a bad product, but if you're looking for a max hold, personally, I would probably, out of these two, I would stick to this one, or I'll also stick to Mousse Def. I hear that that's a pretty good hold. Or if you want the max hold, you can just get a gel, which what is, or if you want the max hold, you can just get a gel. That's most likely what I'll be doing from here on out. They are coming out with, I think it's called Go Bananas. I think it's called Go Bananas. It's gonna be in a pump like this, and it's supposed to be the most extreme hold gel, and I'm wanting that, right? So, like I said earlier, I believe my store didn't have it, so I do plan on getting that, and when I do get it, I'll do a review on it. But it says you can air dry this. I don't trust that. I don't trust diffusers, so I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer, see how it goes. I just honestly, the way that it was applying on my hair, I know that this wash and go is not gonna last. Like there are puffiness in my curls right now, like this section right here. If you look, my curls are not like there, they're like puffy, and I went in trying to work it in. I did the shingling method throughout some of the hair, but again, it's just not, it's not clumping the curls, clumping my hair the way that I would like my hair to be clumped. So not saying it doesn't work, it's just my preference. I prefer like hard definition because it lasts longer. If you want, again, like it, you know, a flexible hold, I guess this is it. I don't know. I guess when I heard like flexible hold, it would hold. Like it'll be like a product where your hair held its curls, but you can still kind of move it around. This, I didn't really see that it held my curls a whole lot. So take that with a grain of salt. But anyway, I'm about to go sit under hooded dryer and I'll be back. Okay, so we're back. My hair is dry. I sat under a hooded dryer maybe like 30 minutes, 35 minutes on low setting. It's gonna have to be a no for me. Ooh, I don't know. Don't come for me in the comments. It's gonna have to be a no for me because like on the outside it may look, you know, decent, but like on the inside, this is what I'm concerned about. Like you can't see, like it's just puffy. It's just puffy, and like inside of here it's puffy. There's no definition. And one can argue, well, maybe, you know, you should have went in and did the thing. I did it, and it didn't like clump my hair. So again, I don't think it's any fault of the product. I think my hair likes gel. Okay, simple as that. My hair likes a hard gel. It does do, you know, well when I do a not a twist out, but when I do 2-strand twists, and I let them last for about 2 weeks. But it's this product, this one, for twists. Oh, this is the only one that I use. The only product I use to do 2-strand twists is this product right here. This one, I mean she didn't really serve like a huge purpose in my opinion. Honestly, because my hair, it feels a little dry. It's not as shiny as I would like it to be. So I don't know. Take it with a grain of salt. Do your research. Look at the ingredients. I'm gonna stick to gels for wash and goes. I'm gonna stick to this one only for a 2-strand twist when I want to like make them last for like 2 weeks. But this product, I may just take it back to the store. So we'll see. Like I don't even know how I'm gonna. It's so like puffy on the inside that I don't even know how I'm gonna properly like like I don't know how I'm gonna properly pineapple it. I don't know what I'm gonna do to tie my hair up tonight. But it's okay. It's a learning experience and experiment. So it's all good. If you like this product, or if you have suggestions, or maybe I could have did it differently, please let me know in the comments below. If you want me to try another product in their collection, let me know as well. And let me know your experience with this particular product, this one right here. I'm just curious. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Peace. Bye, Bubbles. Sticky baby. I'm sorry. I woke him up. All right. Bye, y'all.